The tasty and enticing Sindhi dishes you have to taste. The third largest province in Pakistan is Sindh. This city's capital and the nation's economic center is Karachi. The main crops grown in this province are regarded to be sugarcane, cotton, rice, and wheat. Rice from the Larkana district is highly renowned for its superior quality, whereas cotton is mostly grown in Sanghar, Nawabshah, and Hyderabad. The Sindhi people are highly recognized for their unique traditional cuisine. In essence, Sindhis are those who consume food from Sindh. This dish consists primarily of a wheat flatbread served with rice and curries. In addition, this type of meal is well known in many of the nations where Sindhis formerly resided. Both in taste and name, the dishes they cook are unique, and the spices they use are of the highest caliber. Their cuisine is flavorful and bursting with fragrant spices. This delicious meal is not only good for your health but also a feast for the senses. In order to give you a sense of the culinary traditions of this ancient city, we have highlighted a few of its mouth-watering meals. Koki. It's a popular breakfast dish among Sindhis. Koki and paratha are nearly the same, except koki has a few extra components. Made with wheat flour, finely chopped onions, green chilies, and coriander leaves, it is essentially a flatbread. A great and healthful breakfast option to add to your menu is koki. This delicious dish comes with tea, pickles, and curd. Kadi chawal. Sindh's most well-known dish is kadi chawal. This meal and Punjabi kadi chawal are somewhat similar. Drumsticks, tomatoes, potatoes, and cluster beans, as well as gram flour, curry leaves, turmeric, and chili powder, are the components needed to make this dish. Serve this with rice or roti, and it's a great addition to the list of foods that are comparable to curry. Dal pakwan. Dietitians always advise eating a nutritious breakfast in order to stay in shape. Sindh's delicious and addictive breakfast meal is called dal pakwan. It is a blend of Bengal gram or spicy chana dal, topped with chopped onions and green chutney. This dish is served with crispy fried bread that has been topped with black pepper, cumin, and carom seeds. The crispy bread is made using wheat flour. Aloo tuk. This is a delicious potato snack that is produced by boiling potatoes and then carefully peeling them to form thick wedges or rounds. After that, these potato chunks are fried in oil with a little salt. Red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, and dried mango powder are added to them after they are fried. It's a great snack that's typically had with tea in the evening. Teewarn bugle. Mutton chops are used to prepare the meat dish teewarn. Its spicy aroma and delicate mutton have made it fairly famous among meat aficionados. To make it at home, combine the ginger, garlic, green chilies, fried chopped onions, cumin seeds, black cardamom, and bay leaves into a paste, which you must sauté until golden brown. Stir in the tomatoes, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and red chili powder after adding all of the mutton chops. The curd is then added and cooked until the mutton is very soft and tender. Pala fish. A very popular fried fish dish in Sindh is called pala fish. It is prepared utilizing regional spices in the traditional Sindhi manner. Ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, crushed coriander and pomegranate seeds, flour, salt, and pepper are all used to coat fish fillets. The hot oil is used to fry these fillets until they are golden brown and ready to serve.